Hi, so we're starting Unit 2 today. This is Lesson A, and it's a vocabulary and listening lesson. So I will include the recording in the lesson so you can listen several times if you want to. Okay, let's take a look at your books. This is page 18 and 19. Okay, Unit 2. And before we start the listening, we'd like to show you the goals for the unit. This is why we're studying this, is to identify learning strategies and to relate learning strategies to study problems and to recognize test-taking strategies. Basically, strategies are good ideas that help you get better. So the goal for this unit is to learn how to study better. Maybe you have some problems studying, and this might give you some answers or suggestions on how to study better. So let's take a look. This is listening, and the listening's over here, but we're going to look at the picture first. So what do you see? What's happening? What's the story? Okay, this is Alex. Does he look happy? No, for some reason. And then there's Bella, and she looks happy, I think. They are both studying, but Bella looks happy and Alex looks maybe frustrated, not happy. Over here for 3, I see someone using a highlighter, white tie highlighter. That's the green or pink or yellow pen to take notes. Number 4, this is a to-do list, a list of things to do. These are index cards with a pen, and you use these for studying, right? And number 5, this is a nice, clean, organized desk. It looks like someone is going to study. Okay, let's take a listen. And if you have your notebook, please get your notebook out. Right down here, I think you can see that. There we go. So we're going to listen. Who are the speakers? Probably the people in the picture. What are they talking about? It looks like study problems. So study problems, it says put a check next to Alex's study problems and then write Bella's advice. So before you listen, by reading this, you know that Alex has problems studying and Bella gives him advice. Advice is a good idea or a help to help something get better. So too many things to do. Bella's advice, make a to-do list. Do important things first. That's an excellent suggestion. I have too many things to do. Well, decide what's number 1 most important. Do that first, right? So I want you to listen. Is he always late for school? If so, put a check or write down number 2. Can't concentrate. To concentrate, olive, sock, concentrate is to focus, okay? Can't pronounce English words or can't remember vocabulary. So some of these he has trouble with and some he doesn't, okay? So just in your notebook, write down like, well, number 1, he has a problem with too many things to do. Write down 2, 3, 4, or 5 if it's true. Okay, let's take a listen. And again, I will put this recording in the lesson in the class website so you can listen again if you want to.
Unit 2, at school. Page 19, exercises 2A and 2B.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Bella.
How long have you been in the library?
For about 2 hours.
How's it going?
Not great.
Why? What's the matter?
I'm so discouraged. Look at this mess. I have to finish reading this book. Then I have to write a paper and study for a test. Where do I start?
Well, Alex, have you ever tried making a to-do list?
A to-do list?
Yeah. You make a list of all the things you have to do. Then you do the most important things first.
A to-do list? No, I've never tried that. I usually try to do 6 things at the same time. Let's see. Right now, the most important thing is to finish reading this book. But it's so boring. I can't concentrate.
You need to be more active, Alex. Don't just read the book. Underline important ideas, write notes, repeat the main ideas to yourself. Those things will help you concentrate.
I think I can do that. But there's another problem.
What's that?
Too many new words. I can't remember all of them.
Well, here's an idea. Write important words on index cards. Take the cards with you and study them everywhere. On the bus, during your break at work, and before you go to bed.
Okay, I get it. Study smarter, not harder. Thanks, Bella.
Okay. Again, you can listen again if you want to. Okay, so was he always late for school? No. Is this his problem? He can't concentrate? Yes. And what was Bella's advice? Can't make this larger. Don't think. She said, be more active when reading. And she suggested underlining and highlighting. It means to interact with what you're reading, not just read it. Okay, it's good advice. And then he can't remember vocabulary. She said, write important words on index cards and study them. Study them at work, before you go to bed, on the bus, that sort of thing. Okay, so 3 problems, right? Too many things to do, can't concentrate, and you can't remember vocabulary. Did you get it? Okay. Now let's look down here. I want to look at this vocabulary, and then we will, you will do this 1 through 9, put the vocabulary in, okay? So right here, I'm going to go over to color vowel to show you how to pronounce these. And here I decided to give you like 1 word for each color. Oops, this is a little bit smaller. 1 second. There we go. So going through the color vowel chart. So I gave you different words for each color, even if they weren't in that listening. So these are all school words, and most of them are from the listening. So take your hand out. We're going to say green tea teacher, silver pin index cards. I know this is 2 words, but they act like 1 word together. Index cards. Good. Gray day pronunciation. Gray day paper. Red pepper desk. Black cat vocabulary. Black cat active. That was active reading, remember? Olive sock concentrate. Try it again. Concentrate. We normally say, I can't concentrate. Try that. I can't concentrate. Good. Turquoise toy. It's noisy. If you can't concentrate, sometimes it's because it's noisy. Orange door boring. He said the book is boring. Rose boat homework. Sorry. Wooden hook book. Now be careful. This is wooden hook. It's not blue moon. It's not book, it's book. So wooden hook book. Okay. Now blue moon student. A cup of mustard study. Purple shirt learn. Purple shirt discouraged. And white tie library. Okay, so these are all school words, most of them from the reading. Discouraged, he said, I'm so discouraged. It means without courage, and courage means to be brave and say, I can do it. But dis means no, so you have no courage. You think, I can't do it. It means frustrated. Okay, so I also wanted to show you this. When a word changes form from noun to adjective to verb, the stress location and color can change. So look at these 2. Brown cow pronounce. I can't pronounce it. Pronounce, ow. But the pronunciation, the noun is gray day, pronunciation. Can you see how these are different? Pronounce, pronunciation. They sound very different. Here's another example. If you're studying math, look at this. Green tea equal, olive sock equality, gray day equation, black cat equilateral. So those 4 words are all related, different stress location, different color. Equal, equality, equation, equilateral. I'm showing you that because of these words here. Pronunciation and pronounce, okay? Again, color vowel really helps you be understood, okay? As long as you understand that. When a word changes form, sometimes it changes color, okay? All right, let's go back. And I want you to take out your notebook. Please get your notebook and write 2 through 9 in your workbook. And you can pause the video now, and then I will ask you for your answers. But let's do the first 2 or 3 together, okay? So Alex, actually, we can listen. Let's listen so you don't have to listen to me.
Page 19. Exercise 3A.
Alex has been at the library for a long time, and he is discouraged.
Purple shirt, discouraged, means frustrated, not happy.
He has many things to do. He needs to study for a test.
And write what do you think? I think it's right here.
And write a paper.
Good. Did you get it?
He needs to finish reading a book.
Okay. Now give me your answer for number 3.
But he can't concentrate.
Okay. He can't concentrate. He can't concentrate. This is common together. Okay. How about number 4?
He says the book is boring.
Okay. He says it's boring. He can't concentrate on it.
Alex's friend Bella gives him some study advice. First,
Sorry. How about number 6? First, what?
She tells Alex to make a list of all the things he needs to do.
Remember, make a list, a to-do list, things you need to do. Okay. How about next, right here, number 7? Next, she says he has to be what?
Next, she says he has to be a more active reader.
Okay. An active reader means interacting with what you're reading, underlining things, taking notes, that sort of thing. How about number 8?
Finally, she tells him to write vocabulary words.
Okay. Write vocabulary words on what?
It's on index cards.
Right? You write words on index cards. Good.
And study them when he has free time. With Bella's help, Alex plans to study smarter, not harder.
Okay. We say this a lot. Be smarter, or work smarter, not harder. Study smarter, not harder. And it means be smart how you study and you save time. You won't waste time. Okay. All right. I want you to practice these words and check the lesson for any homework. Okay. And please email me with any questions. Thank you so much.